anyway. It's gonna be cooler, and I'm sure it'll get burning hot later. So we'll see in a little bit. Cross right here. Another cave, probably a mining cave at some point. This one looks like it goes way back in there, but I will not be partaking. It's still cloudy, so we're on a climb, so I'm making pretty good time so far this morning. I'll just keep going while it's cool. We broke through the clouds coming from that way. See the wind farms off in the distance, in the valley down there. Nice trees. Still got a little up to go. Alright. This is a burn area. I didn't tell I'm walking around. It parallels the trail for a couple miles. I think we're out of the clouds, so for today, those are just burning off before they get up here. I'm right in the middle of a bunch of poodle dog bush. Look at all this. Do not touch this stuff. Juju. Very nice break and water spot here. Although I could have had a place to lay down a little better, but that's great water right there. Can't ask for more. Nice. It's by the dirt road.